Good morning student. Welcome to my second video. Today again we are with the chapter 4, that is agriculture. So today we will see about the cropping pattern in India. So there are three cropping pattern exist in India that prevailing. That is first one is your Rabi, then Kharif, and next we have to see about the Zaid. So Rabi season, that in Rabi season crops are sown in winter from October to December and it is harvested in summer from April to June. Okay, the main crops in the Rabi season are wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard. Next is your Kharif. Kharif crops are sown in monsoon and harvested in September to October. The main crops are paddy, maize, rawar, bajra, arhar, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soybean. Now in between Rabi and Kharif, there is a short season in summer that is known as the Zaid. In Zaid, the watery fruits are grown, that is your cucumber, muskmelon, watermelon, vegetables and of course sugarcane also, which takes almost a year to grow. Okay? So these three are the main crops. Crop season in India, that is Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Now accordingly we will see the most important crops in India, that is your rice, wheat, millets, maize and pulses. So first one is your rice. Now rice is the most important stable crop in India. India is the second largest producer of the rice. The main states where you can find the production of rice is West Bengal, Bihar, UP, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Now for the production of the rice, the temperature required is 25 degrees Celsius and rainfall that is about 100 centimeter. So you can say there is an increase in temperature plus increase in the rainfall. Now rice is known as the Kharif crop. Now next is your wheat. Now wheat is the second largest most important crop in India and of course the second largest producer of the wheat in India. So the states where you can find wheat, that is UP, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Uttarakhand. The rainfall which is required for the production of wheat is 50 centimeter to 75 centimeter. Now wheat is a Rabi crop. It is main food crop in India. Now next is your millets. It is a high nutritional value crop that is rich in the calcium, iron and roughage. It grows in the dry season and the millets example is ragi, jawar and bajra. Now next is your maize. Now maize, it is a crop used both as a food as well as the fodder. So it is a Kharif crop required temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius and grow well in the old alluvial soil. Now the production of maize can be increased by using the modern technology. Modern technology means excess use of chemical fertilizers, HYV seeds and it also required plenty of water. Now, the main states where we can find the production of maize is Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Madhya Pradesh. And of course, in Bihar, maize is grown in the Rabi season. So now next is your last one, that is your main crop known as pulses. Now India is the world's largest producer and consumer of pulses. It is a main source of protein. It needs less moisture and can survive in a dry climate. For example, urad, moong, masoor, peas, gram, arhar are the example of pulses. Now the states where you can find the pulses, production of pulses, first one is your Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka. Now pulses, that is, these crops restore the fertility of the soil by fixing the nitrogen from air. So again I want to say that the pulses, it is a main source of protein in a vegetarian diet. So children, today you have seen about the topic cropping pattern in India. There are three cropping pattern, that is your Rabi and Kharif, and Zaid is a mid between Rabi and the Kharif, that is your short season during the summer. Now next you have seen the main crops in India, that is your rice, wheat, millets, maize and pulses. So thank you children. I hope you have understood.